Hello and welcome to Birds for You. We are professional, qualified license holders in birds. We have experience with parrots since 2008. We started off breeding with budgies and small birds, and now we are dealing professionally with all colours of Indian ringnecks, Quakers, Conures, Alexandrians, etc. All of our parrots are kept with a lot of love and care. They are very neat, clean and healthy birds living in an excellent environment. We rehome mostly all young parrots, so it makes it easier for our customers to get the parrot adjusted to its new environment and surroundings. We are based in the heart of Birmingham. Viewings are most welcome, or we can arrange for delivery. For more information, you can visit our website on www.birdsforyou.net, or you can call us on 07 400 944 876.